How to add local songs to Spotify. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add local songs to your Spotify library quickly and easily. Stick around till the end for all the steps. First, open the Spotify app on your device and log in with your account details. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then head over to Settings. Scroll down and look for Privacy. Now go to Apps and Devices and scroll down. You'll see options for local device visibility and local audio files. Make sure both are toggled on. Next, go back to your library at the bottom right corner and tap on Local Files. You'll see an option to add file. After granting the necessary permissions, you can select your local music files. And that's it. You've successfully added local songs to your Spotify library. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.